This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, this week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, happy July. I'm Yashika Graham, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading this week's local entertainment news, remember that song Brace It we talked about last week? Well, the single, dubbed Aishona's comeback single with British star Ed Sheeran, topped the iTunes chart on the day of its release. Yes, that's last Friday. The single also debuted at number 87 on the UK iTunes chart, making Aishona the only Jamaican on the chart at the time. Fans of the dancehall singer have praised Sheeran for doing justice to the dancehall single, and that's really a big deal. Still in local entertainment, dancehall heavyweight Alkaline is buzzing all over social media after a number of his hit songs were featured as the soundtrack of Givenchy's Spring-Summer 2023 collection at Paris Fashion Week. The Haute Paris runway featured a streetwear collection from American designer Matthew M. Williams, known for his collaborations with Lady Gaga and Kanye West. Williams shared that his inspiration this season was the style of Jamaican dancehall superstar Alkaline, who worked on the show's soundtrack. This new feature brings in a ton of momentum for Alkaline, who has been gearing up for the return of his New Rules concert tomorrow, July 2. In international entertainment, Drake is in his bag as always and scored his 11th Billboard #1 album with the release of Honestly, Nevermind. The surprise release debuted on June 17 and was a real genre-bending one for the Canadian hip-hop heavyweight. The Canadian export is the fifth act with more than 10 #1 albums on the Billboard 200 since inception of the weekly publication of the chart in 1956. Drake joins the Beatles, who have a whopping 19 #1s, Jay-Z, who has 14, and Bruce Springsteen and Barbra Streisand, who each have 11. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds continues reflecting on the iconic Marcia Griffiths. Now, through the 90s and into the 21st century, Griffiths continued to record and tour internationally on a steady basis, releasing albums ranging from polished love songs and roots reggae to fiery dancehall sides. There, she saw duets with the likes of Shaggy, Buju Banton, and Cutty Ranks. Marcia also reunited with Bob Andy for a pair of duet albums, including Reel It Together in 1990 and 1997's Sweet Memories. She was one of several high-profile guests to contribute to Toots and the Maytals' Grammy Award-winning 2004 album, True Love, and followed it up with two more solo outings in 2005's Shining Time and 2007's Melody Life. In tribute to Marcia's timeless appeal and wide stylistic range, VP Records' 2012 compilation, Marcia Griffiths and Friends, featured a remarkable number of collaborations picked from her vast catalog of works. 2 years later, Griffiths was honored by the Jamaican government with the Order of Distinction. Returning to the studio, the iconic vocalist celebrated the legacy of Jamaica's famed Studio One by covering a host of classic artists associated with the label and studio. Marcia Griffiths continues to be a living legend even today, forever timeless. And that's your bite for this week. Tune in next week, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. And in this week's Hot Happenings, head over to Beer Mug Fridays today, starting at 5 p.m. All roads lead to East Japanese Restaurant, New Kingston, and you can order food up until 2 a.m. And join the Save Our Soca Foundation on Sunday, July 3rd, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. at Janga's Sound Bar and Grill, 22 Belmont Road. It's gonna be the ultimate soca experience. And also this Sunday, July 3rd, it's Maritone Sundays with the young lion Craig Ross at the Regency Bar and Lounge. Enjoy dinner and music from 6 to 11 p.m. The BET Awards this year saw Silk Sonic's Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak take home the most wins, including Best Group, Album of the Year, Video of the Year, and Video Director of the Year. So without further ado, go check out Silk Sonic. If you're new to the group, you won't regret listening to Leave the Door Open or Smoking Out the Window. And that's it for Entertainment 97 this week. I'm Yashika Graham. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Tune in for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops every Friday inside Cool Rhythms with Entertainment 97.